Here is a new Leetcode problem, which name is number of goods pairs. Leetcode 1512 problem. In this problem, we have given a nums array and we have to find the good pairs. A good pair is called if I and j is given, then good pair is whose which number nums of I equals to nums of j and I is less than j. So let's see an example for this. If we have given this array 1 2 3 1 1 3, we can see 1 1 and 1. This is repeating three times, and this can create a pair 2, because if we want to create a pair of 2, then the formula will be, if we know the permutation and combination, that will be nc2. So this will be 3c2. We can see zeroth index and third index can make a pair, because nums of I equals to nums of j. This zeroth index and fourth pair can also make a pair, and third index and fourth index can also make a pair, and second and fifth index can also make a pair. But this first index can't make a pair, because it is coming only one time, so then it can't make a pair. So we can see here also 4 is 1 is coming 4 times. So the formula will be 4c2. So that answer will be 6. So before coming into the intuition part, see, here we can see, here we can do one thing. We can store the frequency of each elements in another map. Then what we can do is, we can create a we can find the nc2, because the if we want to find the pair, then it will be the nc2. So we can see 1 is coming 3 times, so it is greater than 1. If frequency is greater than 2, then also we can find the frequency into frequency minus 1 by 2. Otherwise we can't find, but because 1c2 does not exist, so it will be 2c2 3c2, because the base is high than the upper bound of value. So here is the intuition. We will store the frequency of each element. Then we will initialize the variable int answer equals to 0. Then we will store the frequency. Then if frequency is greater than 2, it means it can make a pair. So we will find nc2. nc2 is n factorial upon n minus 2 factorial into 2 factorial. Finally, it will be frequency into frequency minus 1 by 2. It means n into n minus 1 by 2. And finally, we will return our answer. So before going into the coding part, let's like and subscribe for this video, guys. Let's do the code for this. We'll create an ordered map of int comma int type with name imp. We'll create int answer equals to 0, and we will store the frequency of each element in a map. So how can we create in store int I equals to 0 to I less than nums dot size, then I plus plus. Then now what we will do, map of nums of I plus plus. Here we store the frequency of each element. Now we'll apply a loop for auto iterator belongs to map. If it dot second, it means frequency is greater than 2, then also we can find. So answer plus equals to it dot second into it dot second minus 1 divided by 2, and finally we will return our answer. Let's run this. there is some problem. What is the problem? If this will get a equal to it, it can be 2 feet 2 also. 2 feet 2 is 1, and then it can be 2 feet 2 also. Yeah, it is working perfect. Let's submit this. Yeah, it is working perfect. So let's discuss about the time and the space complexity for this. The we can see the space complexity will be big of n, and because we are using a loop, and the time complexity will also be big of n. So here is another approach to solve this problem that is much optimized and easy. What we can do, we can also create a here also we can create a another map, another map of integer int type, which name is MP, and int answer equals to 0. We can do for auto it belongs to nums array, and answer plus equals to map of nums plus plus, and finally we can return our answer. It will be it. It is working perfect. Let's submit this. It is better than the 100% of plus plus user. So here also the time and space complexity is big of n, but it is much optimized for that approach because in previous approach we are using two loops. However, it is not a nested loop. It was not a nested loop, but here we are using only one loop, so it is optimized. So it's your task to understand this, how we are using this, and if you know the another approaches, then you can comment it out, and like and share for this video, because I see you do not like and share and subscribe also. So please like, share, and subscribe if you find this helpful. Okay, bye. We'll meet in next video.